AI's integration into Shortcuts app will allow users to automate intricate tasks that deal with simultaneous use of multiple apps. With the Worldwide Developers Conference 2024 WWDC 2024 on the verge of its outset, the iPhone maker appears all set to lift the veil of the latest macOS update, macOS 15, at the inventive event. With this development being certain, tipsters and teaser have taken to spill the beans very frequently on one thing or the other about the disclosures scheduled to take place at WWDC 2024. Provided there's so much on the table of WWDC 2024, a series of rumors have specifically reflected on macOS 15, offering us a glimpse of the AI features supposedly planned by Apple. AI features of macOS 15. As per what MacRumors reported, Apple is likely to ensure the integration of some AI feature while observing the introduction of other AI features-related tweaks. AI-generated Apple Music playlists, AI-assisted writing in Pages, AI-assisted slide deck creation in Keynote, AI code writing features in Xcode, Siri improvements and deeper integration with shortcuts. It's imperative to note that some of these upcoming AI features are expected to be cross-platform. Besides the aforementioned AI features, Siri might make the most of the enhanced AI corner of macOS 15, as leaks suggest that for the purpose of casual and personalized conversation it will be a better host to interact with, while being a cross-platform service. Moreover, the Cupertino-based tech giant is also reportedly indulged in augmenting the interactions better between Siri and the Messages app. This might enable Siri to handle tasks like efficient auto-completion of sentences alongside multi-part, complex commands. AI's integration into the Shortcuts app will allow users to automate intricate tasks that deal with the simultaneous use of multiple apps.